Health Director Dr. K. Raju says no confirmed case of novel coronavirus in India, including Manipur, as per report of World Health Organization. And police arrest one suspect in murder case of Wasim from Yaripok to Bihar. JSC gives government 48 hours to take necessary actions. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Amid rumors of suspected novel coronavirus case being reported at Dreams, Health Director Dr. K. Raju clarified that there is no confirmed case of novel coronavirus in India, including Manipur, as per the report of World Health Organization. He said the suspected case of the virus reported at Dreams is not confirmed yet and it is still under observation. Dr. K. Raju was speaking at the capping and lamp lighting ceremony of Female Health Worker Training School held at its campus in Lamphel, Sanakaitil today. He added that medical teams are carrying out necessary novel coronavirus screening on people entering the state since January 18 at Imphal International Airport and at other crucial entry points. Dr. K. Raju also said RIMS and Jennings hospitals have been instructed to take strict safety measures in the event of the virus outbreak. He assured that RIMS is all set to tackle the virus at any cost. Health Director Dr. K. Raju appeals to people to be cautious and maintain hygiene, especially while consuming foods, as the virus cannot harm people with a strong immune system.
Suspected ngakani confirm oiba World Health Organization na yakoi di World Health Organization gi pangnuti longnari NCDC na masi namta labor Delhi da center amalai nan koi NCDC na asidagi koi paular ga nuti gi paulori asi section thoram khudi mak lori adine koi na posai kharchu longnana bagi mask kumba personal protective equipment kumba longnana nak tanga so koi India ma ta sa mayam na su kibiganu adubu masida yakoi gi phajana chaba chara hen bidaba adagi phajana diet phajana char ga leiba mi khudi Sara Helagadi immunity Hande, Lok Tungber, the Maku season or immunity and the immunity and Tadanaba, Quaksang, my precise Togana, a Pavasinjaksan, Levi Bitaba, Mana, immunity and Kanano, Sintam.
Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan has urged people for self-declaration regarding symptoms of novel coronavirus on the National Helpline number. He said a 24/7 call center is active for responding to queries on the virus. The number is 011-239-78046. The minister said about 35,000 passengers have been scanned at the different airports so far. He said 4 more labs of Indian Council of Medical Research in LP, Bangalore, Hyderabad and Mumbai, in addition to National Institute of Virology, Pune, have been geared up for testing clinical samples. Health Ministry has said 2,461 passengers were screened yesterday at the airports. It said no case of coronavirus has been found till date. Police has arrested a suspect in the murder of Wasim from Yaripok to Lihal. The arrested person is 25-year-old MD Shahid, son of MD Ithem from Yaripok, Changamdabi, Mathak Laikai. Meanwhile, JSC against the brutal killing of Mrs. Washima has demanded to award befitted punishment to culprits involved in the murder case through a speedy trial fast-track court. The JSC has warned the government of intense agitation, including general strike in Manipur by CSOs, local clubs and other organizations if it fails to take necessary actions within 48 hours. Irong Chesaba Development Forum, ICDF, Irong has also strongly condemned the unnatural death of Washima and has extended full solidarity to all the initiatives of the JSC. Officials of State Minor Irrigation Department today inspected the primary canal providing irrigation to paddy fields of Kangabok village. The team carried out the inspection following pleas made by Empowerment Organization of Youths of Kangabok, Thaubal District to Chief Minister Nongthong Bombiren during Chief Minister's People's Day on January 15. The team led by Assistant Engineer of Thaubal Subdivision under Minor Irrigation Division 1, M. Michael, along with representatives of EO Kangabok, inspected the Thambal Angangbi Canal passing through Wangjing, Lamding, Sangayum Farm and Lairen Konjil. They also inspected the subcanal of the Irong River, which provides irrigation to major paddy fields in Kangabok area. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on beating the retreat ceremony at the national capital. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Afternoon News. Beating the retreat ceremony, marking the culmination of the 4-day-long Republic Day celebrations, will be held at the historic Vijay Chowk in New Delhi today. Indian tunes will be the flavor of beating the retreat ceremony even this year too. A beating retreat marks a centuries-old military tradition when the troops ceased fighting, sheathed their arms and withdrew from the battlefield and returned to the camps at sunset at the sounding of the retreat. The ceremony traces its origins to the early 1950s when Major Roberts of the Indian Army indigenously developed the unique ceremony of display by the massed bands. It has emerged as an event of national pride. As many as 24 performances on Vijay Chowk will enthrall the spectators with captivating and foot-tapping music of the bands from Army, Navy, Air Force and Central Armed Police Force today. 15 military bands, 16 pipe and drums band from regimental centers and battalions are participating in the ceremony. The principal conductor of the ceremony will be Flying Officer Rupert Chandra. Meanwhile, Delhi Traffic Police has made elaborate arrangements for the beating retreat ceremony. Vijay Chowk is closed for traffic from 2 p.m. till 9:30 p.m. Rajpath will also be closed for traffic between Vijay Chowk and C Hexagon, which will be opened only for pedestrians. Entry and exit gates at Udyog Bhavan and Central Secretariat metro stations is closed from 2 p.m. till 6:30 p.m. Now the sports news. Odisha FC will face Goa FC in a league match of the ongoing Indian Super League 2019-20 at Odisha's Kalinga Stadium tonight at 7:30. Bangalore FC will face Hyderabad FC in the league match at Bangaluru's Sri Kantirava Stadium tomorrow at 7:30 p.m. Atletico de Kolkata ATK with 27 points has secured the first position of the league's table tally, while Goa FC with a 27 point has secured the second position, and Bangalore FC with 25 points has secured the third berth. Hero I-League match between Minerva Punjab FC and Neroka FC is underway at Punjab's Guru Nanak Stadium since 2 this afternoon. Neroka FC has secured 2 goals so far. Mohan Bagan, Minerva Punjab and Trao FC with 20, 14 and 14 points each are at the top 3 positions of the league's table tally respectively, and Neroka FC is at the 8th position with 8 points so far. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Health Director Dr. K. Raju says no confirmed case of novel coronavirus in India, including Manipur as per report of World Health Organization. And police arrest one suspect in murder case of Wasim from Yaripok Tulihal. JSC gives government 48 hours to take necessary actions.